We're gonna use a sort of plank or tabletop position for this one. The goal is going to be to stabilize the body while adding some movement across the midline of the body. So we are going to be working the sides of the waist, but in a stabilizing position rather than motion. So we'll start in hands and knees, and I'll show you the progression. Spine should be neutral, so if you had that dowel on your back, you would not have any sort of movement away from your spine. So tailbone is long, double chin a little bit there, nice long spine. And we're gonna press through the left hand and the right knee to create stability. So on a diagonal, your right hand reaches across and pulls the kettlebell across. You put the weight down, and notice, did your body shift back into place? That meant you did a little bit of extra motion. So press into hand and knee on that diagonal line, right hand, left knee, reach under, pull it over. And you will feel the abs kick in just from pressing on that diagonal line. So it's less about the gesture of pulling the kettlebell through or the weight or whatever you're using, and it's more about resisting. To make this a plank, same idea. You might want your feet a little bit wider, and you're gonna press through the left hand and the right foot, pull the kettlebell through. When you put your hand down, you shouldn't feel any sort of shifting. Right hand, left foot, focus on that, slide it through, and the goal is to work towards building up to the plank variation, about 10 per side, but take your time in tabletop and feel that opposite, we call that contralateral activation. You're still breathing, the abs will do what we need them to do.